In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lanyard mockup in Canva. Start by opening Canva. You can create a new design if you want a fresh canvas, or open an existing file if you've already set up a layout you like. Either way works. The goal is simply to have a workspace ready for your mockup. If you're unsure about size, a standard poster or social post size is a safe choice, and you can always adjust later. Next, head to the left side panel and click on Elements. In the search bar, type Lanyard, then look under the Mockups category. You can also use Canva's Mockup Generator feature if it's available in your account. Just search for a lanyard there as well. Both options will give you ready-made templates that make replacing the design fast and accurate. Choose a lanyard mockup template that suits your project. You'll see variations like a simple strap, a lanyard with a metal clip, or one with a badge holder. Pick the one that matches how your design will be used in real life so the presentation feels authentic. Now bring in your design. You can upload a logo, a repeating pattern, or text artwork, or select an existing design you already created in Canva. If you're uploading, a high-resolution PNG with a transparent background usually provides the cleanest result, especially for logos and icons. Drag your design directly onto the lanyard area in the template. As you hover, you should see the design snap into the correct placeholder on the strap or badge, depending on the template you chose. If it doesn't snap immediately, try hovering over the exact area or releasing and dragging again until it locks into place. Once your design is placed, refine it with the editing tools. Use the crop and rotate options to control the fit and orientation, and adjust the scale so the artwork sits comfortably without getting cut off. If the template supports color changes, update the strap or background color to match your brand. You can also fine-tune brightness and contrast to help your design stand out, and use alignment guides to keep everything centered and consistent. Keep an eye on how text and patterns align along the curve of the strap so the result looks natural and readable. When you're happy with the mockup, click Save to preserve your work. That's it. Thanks for watching.